Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Please join your hands and with great respect and love say Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. That's more like it. That's amazing. So many kids here. Wow. My name is Gurdwara Singh, and I come from India. And I have the honor to host this assembly today. It is an honor for me to be with every one of you. Today we're going to talk about some small things that we're not aware of. What does a Sikh mean? Who's a Sikh? Who's a Sikh? Oh, yeah, you're there. Who's a Sikh? Okay, so you can say thank you so much. Sikh. In the ancient Sanskrit language, it means a student. You can put your hand down, it's okay. Thank you. It means a student, a disciple, who follows the teaching of his guru. But you don't get the true meaning behind a student. A Sikh, a Guru Granth Sahib Ji Sikh, is the one who says the truth, who walks on the path of righteousness, who says the truth. And believe me, it's not easy. It's not easy. You know, once I broke this very important vase my mom had, and I lied, I'm sorry. Because I was scared to say the truth. I was scared, and it's not easy to say the truth. But a Sikh always says the truth. And this is one part which is very difficult. And our Guru, Tan Tan Sahib Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj, always teaches us to walk on the path of truth, to always say the truth. Oh, let us all sing His name, recite His name for a minute. Close your eyes, feel that Vaheguru. Vaheguru, Vaheguru. Sing with me. Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. Don't be scared. Sing His name. It's God's name. Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru. Wow. Sing. Don't be scared. Vaheguru, 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 What does the Shabad of the Guru teaches us? What does it tell us to do? Why do we come to the Gurdwara? Why do we recite His name? Why do we say Vaheguru? That's okay. Vaheguru, the name of the Lord. the most precious thing. Why we recite His name? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. It's okay, close your eyes. Do you see anything? No. Do you feel yourself? Do you feel yourself? Do you feel that mind? That's the power of that God. That's the God within. That consciousness. That Creator is within. This mind. What is this mind? Do you know? Mind is each thought that you have. A machine, like an example, a machine that makes thoughts, that makes you think. Now this machine makes toys, or makes something, right? Now, you use a good quality of plastic, you will get a good toy. Now if you use a bad quality, a toxicated plastic, that toy is going to hurt you. It's going to be bad for you. So this machine, if you have good thoughts, if you have positivity in your mind, this mind will think good. This mind will help you think better. Respect your parents. Respect your teachers. And if you think bad, you will be a bad person. You don't want to be a bad person, do you? Do you? Who is a guru? A teacher, right? A teacher. Sorry? The creator?
Teacher.
Huh?
Teacher.
Teacher. A teacher. Who was your first teacher when you come to this life? Who takes care of you? Who teaches you to say hi, hello, thank you? Yes?
Your parents.
Exactly. Your parents. You know, when you were a baby, there was no one to take care of you, but your parents were there. They taught you to say thank you. They taught you, right? Your second teacher. Who's your second teacher? Yes? Oh, no. Not your grandparents. Yes?
The teacher at school.
Yeah. That's amazing. The teachers who teach you how to...
Learn how to get smart.
Good marks? No.
Smart.
When you learn about the world. You learn about your job. What can you learn in the future? What can you work? You can become a doctor, a teacher, a mechanical engineer, anything. But who's the spiritual teacher? Who teaches you how to live in this world? How to have good thoughts? Who's that? Yeah.
God.
God. Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Guru Granth Sahib Ji. He teaches you about how to respect others, how to love yourself. Because if we don't know how to love ourselves, how can we love someone else? Right? Do you respect yourself? Do you lie to yourself sometimes? No. When you're trying to do something bad, a voice comes in within. Don't do that. But there's another voice that tells you, let's do it. Doesn't matter. No one will come to know. Right? That is when you lie to yourself. You know it's bad, but you're doing it. But the Guru, the teacher, the spiritual teacher, teaches you to walk on the right path. That is why we come to the Gurdwara. To sit together, recite the name of the Lord, believe in that Creator. Do we all want to sing a Shabad now? Right? So, I've got a new Shabad, right? It's called Ram Ram Karta, Sab Jag Firai. You know, it's really interesting. It says that each one of us is reciting the name of the Lord. We're saying Vaheguru, but do we mean it?
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
How? Yes, how? Do you feel happy about it? Do you feel grateful, thankful? Thank you, Lord. Thank you.
Yes.
Do you feel thankful for your parents?
Yes. Yeah.
Right? Do you feel thankful for your teachers?
Yes.
Teachers in the Khalsa school
Yes.
who teach you so many things?
Yes.
Who's your favorite teacher? Yes.
My parents.
In school, in the school.
My teacher in English school.
Sorry?
In English school.
Where?
In English school.
In English school. Over here in this school, Khalsa school. Who's your teacher?
My lovely teacher.
See? Feel grateful for your teacher. When you go to your class, ask the name of your teacher. Feel grateful. It's okay. You know, when I was in school, I used to attend my assembly and my teachers were like, rule number 1, no walking on the corridor. It was scary though. Now let us sing. Close your eyes. Ram Ram karta sab jag phire, Ram na paya jaye. Ram Ram karta sab jag phire, Ram na paya jaye. Now this Shabad has been written by, composed by the third Guru. Who's the third Guru? Yes? Exactly. Guru Amar Das Ji sang this Shabad in Rag. He says that every one of us is reciting his name. We are reciting his name and we are trying to find him. You know, sometimes we feel that we want to see God. Right? Yeah, we want to know how he looks. Who is he? Right? So Guruji says that everyone is reciting his name and they are looking for that Guru, searching for him with the hope that they might find him. But still, They cannot find him. They cannot find him. Why? Why can't they find him? Guruji says, Agam, which means that no one can find him easily. He is beyond our reach. No one can understand how that God works this world, how this life goes. It is beyond a man's imagination. His power is massive. Guruji says that we are reciting his name, but we don't know the importance of this name. We are saying Vaheguru, but we don't know why. कीमत किने ना पाया, किते ना लिया जाए. This God cannot be bought from somewhere. No, we go to the market, we get toys, we get everything, but we can't find God there. Right? So how do we find him? It's okay. Guruji says that find a true Guru. Your teacher is the true guide. A guide who would tell you how to live this life, how to embrace virtues, how to become a good human being, how to respect your parents, how to respect your teachers, how to respect the small things in life. Your parents, who have always been there for you. When you were a child, since your birth they were with you. They protected you. They gave you food. They gave you everything you need, the clothes. We should feel thankful about it. We should thank God for that. Because without Him, we wouldn't be here. Thank your parents. Why? Because there are people, there are kids who do not have parents, who have no one to take care of them. But you know, there is someone who takes care of them. God. God, be serious. This is very serious. This is very serious. This is not fun. There are kids who do not have parents. Imagine what they go through. Feel thankful for the parents that you have. Feel thankful for the teachers you have. Because those who don't have teachers, they have a bad character. They curse. They think bad about others. But the Guru, he teaches us to be a good human being. He teaches us to help others. You know, you guys have a special power. What is that power? You can make someone smile. You can make someone smile. You can smile and you can make others smile. You can help others. See, that's a great power. When you work in the langar, you're not doing that for others. You're doing that for the inner soul, for happiness, for the satisfaction. Do you do seva at the Gurdwara? Do you serve at the langar? That's great. Do you feel good about it? Do you? Did you ever thank your parents?
Yes.
What did you say?
Thank you.
For what?
For us.
For us? Wow. So, the message in this Shabad is, let's not stay away from that. The message is to listen to your teacher. Okay? Are you guys going to listen to your teachers?
Yes.
Are you going to do your homework?
Yes.
Are you going to be a good student?
Yes.
Promise?
Yes.
Are you going to go home and learn your lesson?
Yes.
That's great. Promise?
Promise.
Pinky promise? Perfect.
Promise.
So listen to your Guru. And why do we recite Bani? Why do we sing the Shabad of the Guru? Bani. Why do we do Path? You know, in a university, scientists have been searching. They say when you say Vaheguru, it heals your brain. It heals your brain. You think better. A being is more alert. He knows what is happening around him. That is why we come to the Gurdwara. To heal this brain, to heal our soul, to feel good. So whenever you enter the darbar, sit with your legs crossed, hands folded. See, I don't see anyone holding their hands. No one has their palms together. Do you? Do you? Not like that, that's bad. With respect. Yeah. With discipline. That's a Sikh. That is who a Sikh is. Who a disciplined, cultured human being. So now that you go to your classes, first of all, thank your teachers. Thank them. Because they are taking their time to teach you. Go home and thank your parents. Okay? Is that a promise? Yeah! Don't forget it. When I come back, I'm going to ask each one of you and your parents. Okay? Okay. So, let us sing the name again and close your eyes honestly with love and thankfulness, okay? Vaheguru. I hope to see you guys again. Do you want me to come back? Yeah! Did you enjoy this? Yeah! What did you like about it? The shovel? Did you enjoy it? Yeah? So feel grateful for the things you have. For the Xbox that you have. Feel grateful about it. You got iPad 3? That's even better. So feel grateful about it. Because you know, listen carefully. There are kids that don't have that stuff. Feel good about it. Thank God about it. Thank your parents about it. Okay? Okay, Jio. I guess you have your time for school now, right? So study hard, work hard, be a good child. Listen to your parents, okay? Now say, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.
Please keep sitting, keep sitting, keep sitting. Let's have a Jakara for Paisa. Bole So Nihal.